Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the H2O bottle by Cello. And this is the unbreakable version of it, that is, it is coming in metal and all. And as you can see over here, this is one of the best bottles I have used in quite some time, and I had been using the plastic version. It's also BPA free, tough and trendy and all. And the plastic version is a bit fragile, I would say. It used to break, but I'm 100% sure this is not going to break. And it comes with other variants and colors, etc. And I also got the black variant, and which I personally like, but my favorite is this one, which comes in stainless steel, guys. And also, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any updates from our channel. And as you can see, it's brushed metal, and personally I really like this color because it is not a color, it is just a metal finish. And as you can see over here, it got this nice hello branding, which I really like. And most of the people were asking me, which bottle is this and which bottle you all are using, for drinking and stuff like that. And personally I would say this is one of the best bottles. And if you want some other content from us, you can always follow us on social media. Another thing to be noted, guys, I just got this from Amazon for a discounted price, so you all can check out the link in the description to get the latest update and the pricing of this particular bottle. So in my case, guys, this is one of the high quality 18:8 steel, and it is a grading, I believe. And it's a very heavy duty and very tough. I mean, I dropped this like couple of times and nothing happened, no dents, nothing. And I've been using this for the past 3 months, I would say. And this is one of the best bottles available in the market. And the black one, I would say, gets scratched easily after washing, etc., because the black one is not stainless steel brushed metal. It is more of like a paint, which does come out after usage. And another thing, I also got some dents on my black one. And this, as you can see, the cap is also quite nicely snugly fitting. And mind you, guys, the cap, in although it is made from stainless steel, the inside part is actually plastic, but I don't think so that should matter, because anyways, it's not going to spill out a lot of liquid. And coming to the spill protection, guys, the water is leak proof and definitely does not get out very easily. And the seal is quite good. It is also having this gasket which protects it, and this is how the inside part of the thing looks. And as you can see, I can even see some welding. Okay. And by the way, it does not get corroded, but after using this for like 2 to 3 days without washing, definitely you can feel the odor. But that is the case with every metal bottle, it is not just with this cello. And always remove this gel, guys. I don't know why they keep it. And yeah, although my experience is quite good, I would say definitely go for this over the other bottles, because other bottles are quite fragile. Cello ones is unbreakable. And by the way, they are not sponsoring me or anything, I just like this particular bottle, and so I got it in other variant also, like the red and the blue, which my family members are using, and there are no complaints. Again, personally, this is the brushed metal finish, which is my favorite. It comes with this stainless steel color, and it does not get scratched very easily because it's somewhat like a matte. And as you can see, the design, the shine, the shimmer of this particular bottle is unmatched and unparalleled to anything which I've seen in the market. And let me know in the comments below which bottle you all are using. Maybe you all are using a better bottle than mine, and I can actually view them. So please do check out the link in the description to get this particular product from Amazon, which would help my channel a lot. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and again, see you in my next video. But before that, do subscribe and check out this other awesome video which we have.